This is my 1943 Royal Typewriter that I modified into a USB typewriter. What that little box does turns an ordinary typewriter into a USB keyboard mostly, without all the arrows and function keys like F1 through 7. But if you go on, like on Google here, you could press, if you want, YouTube, like that. It's got a little sensor bar under here that does this, but you can just backspace it if it mess up. Then you just use your regular arrow keys there, and then you use the carriage release as a, I'll show you. You can use the carriage release thing as a thing, and boom, you got YouTube. By doing that, and also it works like a regular keyboard or typewriter if you want it, like A, H, G, F, E. And by paper, I'll show you. And it also, then you can just put it back. Does this. That enters, or it tells you that it's time to continue. And I'll show you what the bottom looks like real quick. Here's what the bottom looks like. This little white bar thing here, this here, is what you do the sensors off the computer with the keys. And it goes all the way from here to this box here. I don't know if we can see it good, but here, I'll see if I can turn it. Yeah. This green box here, it converts it into the keyboard interface. I'll slowly bring it back down. This green wire here is your ground, and then all these little black sensors goes to these little magnets here and here. Yes, that's pretty good. This is your sensors that does your space and all that, and backspace and everything. Little trigger switch. Yeah, pretty much. And then if you want this, if you have a typewriter, you just go to type that in. It's probably like the first or second link if you want it. I got two kits. You got the assemble kit, and then you have the do-it-yourself kit, and it's pretty good. Okay.